Finally got time to do the timing belt and the water pump. I'm going as well to do the seals in the camshaft and the crankshaft. Please understand this is not a tutorial. I didn't record all the process because I had to be focused on one thing, and recording and working at the same time is quite difficult, especially with timing and water pump. So let's do it. You first need to lose these 4 bolts from the water pump pulley. This is when you remove the engine mount. You need to remove this to get access to all the timing components. Obviously, you need to support the engine before removing the engine mount. So I didn't show it, but the engine is supported, okay? This one is the lower timing belt cover. It's quite tricky, especially for this bolt. And then to remove it, I had to really take it from under. So I removed the crankshaft bolt. A lot of penetrating oil and a lot of patience. So just penetrating oil and wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. That's it. So this is one way to know if the timing belt that you got is the proper one. So this one is the old belt. It has a mark, and I made a mark here to match. And then use something. Make sure. This is the timing belt from the start. Make sure. Now brace yourself for the most frustrating and time-consuming part, which is removing the oil gasket from the water pump. You need to remove all the oil gasket, otherwise you're going to have leaks. So take your time. It is really uncomfortable, annoying, but you need to be really precise and take your time removing all the oil gasket. To remove the camshaft bolt, you might need some help because this bolt is very tight.
Impact. This bolt is too hard.
I got this seal removal tool from Amazon. The tool that is meant to remove the seal it works really good, but the components to install the new seal are made of plastic and they broke. So if you want to buy one of these kits, it's better if you go for the aluminum one. I think they are aluminum. Otherwise, you can do it with a socket, or there are plenty of options in YouTube to install the seal. I did this very same process on the crankshaft. I didn't record it, but it's exactly the same. To do the timing, you need to be sure that the camshaft and the crankshaft are pointing to the timing marks. Usually you don't need to move too much the crankshaft or the camshaft during the process, so they shouldn't be so far away. And in this case, the tension of the belt when you are installing the tension should be in the opposite side of the tensioner. So in this case, it's the right side. Just pay attention that this side is with good tension, and then install the tensioner on the left side. Follow the instructions. You cannot rotate the tensioner clockwise. You always need to do it counterclockwise, otherwise you are going to damage the tensioner and it's not going to work properly. Now you need to turn your crankshaft twice, and after turning the crankshaft twice, the camshaft and the crankshaft timing marks must match. If they don't match, it is because something is wrong with the timing and you need to do it again. So it is important 2 turns of the crankshaft are 1 turn of the camshaft, and the timing marks must match. You need to be sure about it. Okay, all done. So now it's filled, everything is tight. Okay, that's it for this video. Hopefully this gives you an idea how to do the timing belt or the timing chain in your car. The car has been running with this belt for 1 month and no problems at all. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions.